my channel, Embracing Chaos. Today I am here with Ava, Ariana, myself, and him. So, if you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. This is my adorable husband, Steve, otherwise known as Mr. Chaos, and we are here with a Tuesday tag. And if you can hear that panting and all of the grunting in the background, that is our German Shepherd. Anyways, guys, this tag was created by Roy over at Recipes with Roy, and we were also tagged by Roy. So big, huge thank you to Roy this week for setting up these questions for us. He did have one surprise. Well, it's not even a surprise because he knew he was going to do it. He has one question specifically for Jimmy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy. So make sure you go over to their channel and watch their tag. And then, of course, make sure that you go to Roy's channel and watch his tag video. All right. Hopefully that made sense.
Why do I look sunburned?
Steve's got the questions on his phone, so he's going to read them for us.
All right. Question number one.
Number one. Numero uno.
That's my line.
I know. Go.
What?
Number one.
You done?
Yes.
What is your cell phone wallpaper? Ava.
I ain't gonna get my phone.
All right, Ariana, what do you have on yours?
A picture of my cat.
Of your cat?
Yes.
Ariana just got a new cat tonight. Tell everybody its name.
Tyranny.
Tyranny.
Tiara for short.
What is it?
Tiara for short.
TRF?
Tiara.
Tiara for short.
Yes.
Ace. Why are you whining and grunting?
He's telling everybody what he has on his.
Oh. Alrighty. So my, what is it called? My background on my phone is, actually it's affirmations. I have an app that updates and gives me new affirmation like every hour. So that's what I have on my phone for some motivation throughout the day.
So you got a picture of Stuart Smalling on your phone? I'm good enough. I'm smart enough. And
Gosh darn it, nobody likes you.
Alright. Mine is of Yoda and it says, "May the 4th be with you."
For Clayton.
Yep.
A little Star Wars reference and
Ah,
reference to our grandson in heaven. And, yep.
Very good. Please go lay down, please.
All right. Question number 2. What is the weirdest dream you can remember? Ava? Weirdest dream?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You don't know your weirdest dream?
No.
Okay.
All right. Ariana?
My cough syrup dream the other night.
You had a cough syrup dream?
Yeah, about a reindeer chasing me down the hallway.
Tell them.
About a reindeer chasing me down the hallway. It was Christmas Eve. And I snuck down to go see Santa deliver the presents. And instead of seeing Santa, this giant reindeer came pummeling down the hallway.
Is that what it sounded like?
It was just screaming. It was bad.
This is a little bit of a weird one there.
Don't take Dayquil too close to bedtime.
Oh, I know my weirdest dream.
What was your
So I
weirdest
was
dream?
just sleeping, and I thought I woke up to check the time. No, it's just a dream.
Do you dream that you woke up to check the time? Were you late for the bus or anything?
No, it was like 1 a.m. I don't know what the actual time it was. I was asleep. I'm like, I'm gonna get up and use the bathroom. Like, I wake up, I'm like, oh, it was a dream.
Don't go to the bathroom in a dream.
No, don't. You end up wetting the bed. I did that multiple times.
Alrighty. You didn't lie there, but alright. What was your weirdest dream?
One time I had a dream that I had normal kids.
That must have been nice.
That's
You
not-
guys were so jealous.
You tell us about this dream a lot. Is it on America's Got Talent?
No, I don't have talent, do I?
My
Anyway, so
dream.
my weirdest dream, I'm like the queen of weird dreams. I have crazy dreams. But the funniest one that the funniest one that comes to mind is one that I had about a mouse that had kittens in our
Yeah.
Tupperware canister that has flour in it. So they were mouse kittens in my flour. Yeah.
I can't. There's kittens in here. I know what you are.
Yeah. Yeah, so I was pretty aggressive with them, and I was like, don't be cute. I know what you are. You're not kittens, you're mice.
For me, it was when I was, I think, still in like grade school, maybe junior high. I had this weird dream that Pee Wee Herman was chasing me with a knife.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah, we knew that was coming.
Seriously, no,
Yeah,
I
but
did
use
have
the
a dream.
camera.
Yeah, that was
There
just
she
my
is.
worst dream. All right, question number 3. What would you rather be able to see the future but not be able to change it, or hear from the dead but not be able to speak to them?
Ooh. Which one, Ava?
I don't know.
You want to think about it, and Ariana can
The
answer?
dead one sounds weird. And you sleep in the middle of the night, like, hey, got the milk?
I see dead.
Why is a dead person going to ask you for milk?
Can I get some chocolate
I
milk?
can't tell you if I have it or not. Oh dear.
I'll be like, let's go. If Daddy has been talking in the middle of the night.
If you build it, they will come.
Ariana, dead people or the future?
The future.
Why?
Because I want to know what's going to happen. Then I can be prepared. My anxiety won't be as bad.
I think that I would rather hear from dead people and not be able to talk about it.
I guess I'd want to see the future. Question number 4. Choose just one and why. Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Christmas?
Halloween all the way.
Halloween all the way. Talk loud so they can hear
They
you.
have the best movies.
Halloween does have good movies.
Right.
None?
Thanksgiving.
Why?
Let me guess.
Food.
Food. I like Christmas because it's just my favorite, and it's my spirit holiday.
She's buddied
It's
up.
my soul
Two of
holiday.
our kids
I am
were
part
born in
elf.
December.
I am. So yes, Christmas.
Because 2 of your kids
And I
were
love Halloween and Thanksgiving because when they're over, it's Christmas.
Over here?
born. She wants to watch Elf.
Yes, every Halloween we watch Elf. Now, no more squirrel moments. Family focus.
All right, Christmas for me.
Why?
I love the Christmas movies.
The Christmas. They do have good movies at Christmas too.
Hallmark.
No.
Remember that tag?
All right, question number 5. If you could instantly master any skill, what would it be and why?
Karate, so I can beat some kid butt.
Karate, so you can beat some kids' butts.
Yeah.
All right.
Sign language.
All right.
You know a lot of sign language already.
Yeah, but I want to know it all.
I think a skill, time management. I've always thought it was a myth, but I hear about it all the time.
It is a myth.
I don't know how
This
to,
is time management
I
you
don't
speak of.
know.
I don't know how to read a clock.
That's your time management. You're going to learn how to read a clock.
Yeah.
Yes, hashtag skills. Well, since they're winning.
All right.
See?
Survival skills. I would love to be able to master survival skills, knowing what I can eat in the wild and how to do stuff in the wild. I would love that.
It's called the Internet Father.
Or Man versus Wild.
All right. Number 6.
Trust us. We got this covered.
What is your most petty deal breaker? Some small thing that would make you break up with somebody?
Ugh.
So what is the one petty small thing that would instantly make you break up with somebody?
Them saying hell's gonna be a party.
Hell's going to be a party.
Bye bye.
Stupid clearing your throat thing. Ugh. No, the one that Kevin does.
Who's Kevin?
My dad.
Oh yeah.
Ace, she's okay. Thank you for checking. You have to come over and check on her after that one.
I hate that noise.
So mine would be lying.
Snoring.
I haven't broke up with him yet. I do need to talk to you later though. Can you pencil me in?
Sure.
10 a.m. tomorrow, my office.
Sure.
Okay.
All right. Do I need to have my union rep there?
No. See?
Something petty.
Just lying's not petty. I take that back. Can I change mine?
Sure.
Petty would be eating. If you have bad eating habits, you're gone. Pretty much, if you have bad eating habits, you're not allowed to eat in the same restaurant as me.
Yeah,
Go
I
ahead,
hate.
Steve.
I don't
Sorry.
have one for this one.
You
I
don't have a petty
Help me.
No.
because it's something I do and you don't want to admit it on camera.
No. Question number 8. What's the best advice you ever received? Best advice you ever gave?
Don't fall.
Don't fall.
Don't fall. The best advice I gave, like, shut up and just talk to him.
What?
I told my friend to shut up and talk to her crush, and now they're dating.
Oh, so her friend had a crush on somebody, and your advice to them was just go talk to him, and now
No,
they're
I
dating.
said shut up, go talk to him.
There you have it.
Don't.
What's the best advice you've ever gotten, Ariana?
It's the small things.
And the best advice you ever gave anyone?
Easy.
Be quiet and stop arguing. Said that to
You
Dad.
guys are very aggressive with your advice. Shut up! Be quiet! So the best advice I ever got,
Was to marry this
Don't have kids.
person. You want to have this?
a little too late. But we have decided we're not having kids, right, Steve?
Yes.
You guys are going to be really surprised about that, too.
We're adopted. We all know.
So I guess the best advice that I've ever gotten and the best advice that I've ever given is not to give up. And that can apply to anything. Never give up and always go into it with a positive attitude.
Shut up and go talk to your crush.
Yeah, Mom, go talk to Will Shatner.
William Shatner. Next. What's your answer? What's the best advice you ever got?
Don't suck.
Yeah, that
Nope.
Brad. Yep. His partner in crime or the head coach for the track team Steve coaches on. That's the advice that they give their runners. Don't suck.
Yep.
And what's the best advice you ever gave?
Do or do not. There is no try.
And again,
if you fail, you keep going. You keep doing it. Because you're not trying something, you're doing it. It's whether or not you fail or succeed. So, you just do it. You're not trying it, you're doing it. So, there you go.
very good.
All right. Number 9, have you ever named your vehicle?
I can't drive. But I did in my bike, Shirley.
You named your bike Charlie?
Shirley Temple.
Shirley Temple.
I don't know who that is.
None?
Black car was named Suzy Q.
Suzy Q?
Yeah,
Do you
after
ever-
the lady from the nursing home.
Oh, yeah.
You beat
Did we ever name any of our cars?
Yes, well, there's one that you and I named.
My dad's car.
The Birtle.
Yeah, he had like an old, well, now it's an old Taurus, but back then it was new.
Because we thought it looked like a beetle and a turtle combined. So we call it a Birtle.
It's a combination of beetle and
Turtle.
turtle.
Yep.
Turtle.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember that. We were sitting on the front porch at your house. That was when we very first decided. That was actually the same night we decided to start dating again.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure was.
Fun times!
Yep. All right.
Woo!
Number 10.
Yes.
If you could commit a crime and get away with it, what would it be and why?
rob a bank so I can make moolah.
Wow. She didn't even have to think about that one.
Rob a bank so you can make moolah.
Shoplift it so that way I can have whatever I wanted.
I
Is
was
it a
rob-
crime that wouldn't cause any damage or harm to anybody else?
It just says, what would it be and why? What crime would you like to commit?
Ooh, murder.
So, sky's the limit here.
Ariana, don't say that.
Signing my
I don't
ex-husband
want
up
to
for the
commit a
army.
crime. That's not in my bucket list.
Uh-huh. I know you have a dark side. I know you do.
I also have a very guilty conscience. If I committed a crime, you'd catch me balled up in the corner, bawling my eyes out for the rest of my life. I don't want to do anything that could potentially cause stress or harm to somebody else.
Go!
Yeah, I'm the one that, no, I don't steal.
I would like to rob a hobby shop.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, Lord.
He would.
Mhm.
But he's not going to because it's not going to my house.
That's
There's
the
no
only
room.
reason.
I need room for my makeup.
You go rob
Oh, he's
Ulta, I'll
crying.
go rob hobby shop.
No, I couldn't commit a crime. I couldn't. I would feel so bad.
Hey, what's
That's it.
the
That's
matter?
question number 10.
No, there was a question about what movie actor we look like. Wasn't there?
Oh, yeah, I skipped over question 7. Alright, going back to 7.
Every week he skips a question. This is why we can't.
I didn't skip one.
I didn't know you could hear me. You always skip a question.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I didn't skip one.
Yes, you skip questions. All right. Anyway, so we're backtracking to question number 7.
What famous person have you been told you look like?
Smurf.
Smurf and Sonic, because one time she dyed her hair super duper cute blue. Whoop, hi.
Retro.
Which is why her hair is still a little greenish looking.
Look
It's
at
super
it.
cute. It was like the color of Ariana's hoodie. It was adorable. And somebody called her Sonic. Nani, who do you look like?
Haven't been told I look like him, but I think I look like Voldemort.
Voldemort?
Yep.
Why's that? Just
That-
kidding.
Gee, I
Will
wonder.
Savalas, Michael Chiklis.
Yeah.
Yep. What about you?
You used to tell me I looked like Claire Danes when I was young and skinny.
Yeah, you did. You look like Claire Danes. Yeah.
Now I look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show.
I think
Don't
I-
agree with that.
Yeah,
You're supposed to say no, you don't.
No, I can see it.
I'm not Mimi.
You kind of are.
I'm not.
You have the same attitude.
Yeah, but I don't look like her.
No, not looks. No.
Now we have to go and watch. That's pretty, Ava.
Up close and personal.
All right, Sonic, sit back.
Yeah.
All right, Steve.
All right, split that. Come on, get shut out of the camera.
It's okay, Avis. We're okay.
There
So
you
you're
go.
on the couch. What's
my
going
God.
on?
Oh my God.
Nice. No, go
Do
lay
you
down.
need to come
puppy.
over here and say hi? No?
Okay.
Who do
All
you
right.
look like, Steve?
I've been called two things.
Oh, I know.
What?
Joe Dirt. Who?
No. When I went to a music festival in Pennsylvania, Creation Music Festival, I had my hair dyed like jet black, so I was known as the fifth Beatle, going around there.
You have a bowl cut?
No.
Ace has his chicken, so if you guys hear squeaking, it's him. I'm sorry, but he's been like crying because we took his chicken away. So now he
Yeah.
has it.
All right, and then David Letterman because of the gap between my teeth.
Yes, you do look like David Letterman.
So yeah, those two things.
Anyways, all right, guys.
That's it.
That is it. Those are our answers. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ava Lynn, put your hand down so I can finish talking. We are going to tag a few friends of our own. First of all, I am going to tag Valerie Reese and her husband Steve. Second, I will tag Mary Fran over at No Excuses. And then, of course, I'm going to tag my good friend Suzy over at Suzy Buie. I will link... Oh, Pop! I will link all of their channels down below. If you guys are up for it, tag your it. Try and beat this chaos. Let's see what you got.
Yeah.
If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, we would really appreciate it. It kind of helps to encourage YouTube to promote our videos, which I can kind of understand why they might not want to. But anyways, here we are. Love us. That's all you can do. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.
Bye.